Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I want to illustrate on how we can track the cash we've received from our client or customer before taking those cash to the bank. So most of us or business have this cash till or have this box or a way we record whenever we make a cash transaction, we record them before taking them to the bank. So QuickBooks has this feature where you can also take care of that. So now let's go and create a transaction. So we want to create a sales receipt. By creating sales receipt, it means we are selling on cash. So but before you can go there, make sure you go to edit, then go to preferences. Under payment here, you make sure on company preferences, make sure this option is selected. Use undeposited fund as a default deposit to account. Okay, so click, make sure that is on. Then you select let's say you want to offer a service, to AEDC. Okay, so the sales number is 0011. You select today's dates. Okay, then what method you can select cash this way. Okay, then you select the item. So let's say you want to do laundry service, select laundry service. Then for how much? 150,000. Okay, so now we've created a transaction. We are going to also look at the report to see how it affects that. So we're going to click on save and close. Okay, now we've saved the transaction. So the next thing you're going to do is to go to reports. Oh, we already have it here, so let me just click on profit and loss. Now you see the report from January 1st to 14th is 150 for this year. So we only have that transaction as 150,000, which is correct. You can also go to reports, go to company financial, balance sheet standard. From balance sheet, you see we have under current assets, we have 150,000 here as undeposited fund. That's because you still have them with you, but yet to take them to the bank, right? Okay, so now we go back home. Now once you've done that, immediately you create sales receipts that, and you take this money to you allow it to go to undeposited fund. It will show you this option for you to record the deposits. That's because you have that option selected. Or else, while creating the sales receipt, they will show you where you select the bank that you want to deposit that transaction to. But this time around, we are going to record the deposit we've received. Now clicking on it, this is the first option you are supposed to see. It's supposed to show you payment to deposit, that there is a transaction here that yet to be deposited. Okay, if you want to view the payment type, by what type is it? Cash. I click on cash and check. You see I can, well, if you click on another one, let's say Macro Express, they say you have not received any payment of this type of deposit. Okay, so just cash, or just select all to be safe on the safer side. Then you can sort them by number, by name, by amount. Okay, so I'm gonna select this. So once you select, you see you can go ahead, click on OK. It will pre-populate here. So but then remember, it might be that you want to have this money to what bank. So you select the bank, Premium Trust Bank. Okay, so I select Premium Trust Bank. Then what date? So let's say we are depositing it on the 16th of January. Okay, because we kept them in the safe. Okay, so remember, if you do more than 2, 3, 4, 5 transactions, different transactions, separate transactions, they will appear on that first dialog box that appeared. Then you select all of them. So no matter how many they are, let's say there are 3, you have 3 of them here. Okay, once you have 3 of them here, you can decide on how you want to make a deposit. If it is all 3 you want to take to Premium Trust Bank, or you want to also take some to First Bank. Okay, or you say okay, not First Bank, I want to have petty cash of 50,000 so I can be able to undo my expenses. So I just input a description here. So how much are you So let's say 50,000. Okay, so with this you are depositing 100,000 to Premium Trust Bank, then 50,000 to Petty Cash. So with this we are good to go. We just click on save and close. Now we'll go back to the report here again. Profit and loss, of course, will still remain 150,000, right? Then you go to balance sheet. Now you see the changes that have occurred as a result of the transaction. Remember, this is 14th. Okay, let me go back to profit and loss. Okay, I'll select to 17 because the transaction occurred on 16th, so that you see the effect. Still, there's no effect, of course, because it no carry out any transaction. Okay, so let's go to balance sheet. You also select as of, let's say 16 or 17, then you refresh. That is when you can see, I post dated it. That is because that is the essence of having it in your undeposited fund, because you want to deposit on another day or that same day is fine. So now you see you have petty cash of 50,000, Premium Trust Bank of 100,000. With this, you've been able to track the money you receive, the cash you receive from customers, as a result of the cash transaction. Then later date, take this money to the bank. Even while taking to the bank, you decided to split it to 2. So with this, I believe we'll be able to handle that. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have lots of videos. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. You can share my video, like my video, and give me a thumbs up.